Is localized diagnostic logging pathing failed due to the Logger Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. While we explore the technical guide for Logger Library, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Logger Library, a generic diagnostic logging library. This module manages unmanaged routines for recording background application telemetry and error states. It facilitates the data link between software events and the local log file manifests for troubleshooting. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The Logger Library DLL library is a critical dependency of the Localized Diagnostic Logging framework, and the most effective fix is to reinstall the specific program where you received the error to force a fresh deployment of the internal file. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Logger library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Remember that Logger Library DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Logger library and system efficiency. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Logger library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.